Go.
Hey, this is Colin again, and this is his second try having the lemon.
Let him hold it.
Here. He dropped it. Here, put my other side.
He's.
Having a little trouble there.
That should have been the first bite.
Oh my god.
You hold it, Colin. He's like, he wants it and then he doesn't know what to do.
He's like, that was weird. You having a little trouble there? Yeah. That kind of hurt his head.
You don't even want to take it.
Okay, here, I'll help you.
You don't want it. Well, maybe he does. He just wants to hold it.
Or he's just tired. Is it too sour? Easily, yeah.
So funny.
He said he
Torture.
enjoyed anything.